to my channel. So I'm at Packwood again with my family, and we're gonna go skiing soon. But before we do that, I'm going to do gymnastics around my cabin and around the trees and the gardens and the ground and all of nature. So let's go. Okay, now I'm gonna do a leap. Please subscribe and like. And if you guys have nowhere to do your gymnastics, you can do it out in the wilderness where there's lots of rocks and wood and trees. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and like. Catch you guys on the flip side.